to go over the amazing Black Friday ad for Kohls. Kohls is one of my favorite stores for Black Friday and Cyber Monday just because of the amount of deals, sales, and coupons and everything that they have that all triple stack. So what they're going to be doing through November 22nd is for every $50 you spend, you're going to get $10 in Kohls cash. You can also, anyone, when you sign into whatever account, so you can create an account completely free, but you do have to sign in to be able to apply this code, GOSHOP15. Then with a $25 purchase, you're gonna get free shipping. You can also get additional percentages off when you're using your Kohls charge card. And there's just so many great deals. Plus, they have such a good variety of deals. So they have clothing, of course, they have toys, they have home, kitchen, bath, electronics, you name it. So I wanted to go over some of my favorite deals and explain to you how, if you are shopping online, you want to make sure that you are starting with Rakuten. So I have the little extension, as you can see right here, you're going to get additional cash back. And new users of Rakuten, my link is going to be below in the description box. They are doing a promotion right now for Black Friday. When you use that link and you spend $40 out of pocket before taxes and shipping, you're gonna get $40 cash back plus the percent back the store offers. As you can see, Rakuten is offering 2% back for Kohls. So once you create a completely free account, what you're gonna do is search for Kohls at the top, and you're gonna see it right here, and then it's gonna activate it, and it's gonna take you right over to the regular Kohls website. Now, what you're gonna do is add whatever products you want to your cart. So here's some of my favorite deals. One thing you're gonna do is go to kitchen and dining. If you're looking for this Keurig Duo, I've gotten a lot of requests for this on my Amazon deals videos that I've been doing over on TikTok and Instagram. A lot of people were asking for this. So it does the drip coffee, but it also allows for a single cup Keurig to be used as well. When you use that code, you're gonna save $15. You're also gonna wind up getting back $10 in Kohls cash for spending $50. So let me show you guys what that is gonna break down to. Of course, you're gonna add it to your cart. Okay, so right now, when you add it to your cart, that sale coupon code is not applied. So you have to click apply coupons and Kohls cash. So once you go ahead and do that, then you have to sign in to be able to apply it. So then you're gonna click it. And there's another perk. So if you wind up going ahead and doing the store pickup instead of getting it shipped, even though it's free, completely up to you, you're gonna earn another $5 in Kohls cash. So if you're okay with that, you're just gonna toggle this on. That's gonna make it even cheaper. You'd go to proceed to checkout. So down here, it shows you're getting the $10 in Kohls cash. But if you spend another $15, you would be up to the next bracket to get another $10 in Kohls cash. So completely up to you if you wanna do that, or if you just want to keep this original. So you're going to click proceed to checkout. So this is what your final math is going to be. You're going to wind up paying $90.94 out of pocket. Of course, that includes the taxes. You're over $40, so you're good to go. You'll get the $40 cash back. You're also going to get back $10 in Kohls cash. If you do the pickup, then it'll be $15 in Kohls cash. And you're gonna get 2% back as well. Now, Rakuten calculates it based on the subtotal, which would be $99.99. So 2% of that is gonna be another $1.99. So that's gonna make your final cost $33.95, including taxes. And that's, of course, if you pick it up in store. So that's an incredible deal right there, just to give you an idea of how to get that Rakuten new user bonus. They have Uggs on sale. I feel like Uggs just became really popular again. They're all over TikTok. So they're on sale right now for $59.99. So that's a pretty good deal. Now, not every brand name is going to be able to work with the GOSHOP15. So it shows you right here. So the Sonoma Goods does work with it. The UGG does not. If it did, it would show the 15% off and the GOSHOP15 code right here. So that just tells you that New Balance is not included. It tells you that UGG is not included. Nike Air are not included. So there are going to be some exclusions, of course. Another great option is going to be on vacuums. So Kohls has some really good deals on vacuums. And again, you're getting the Kohls cash back. You have the discount codes, the free shipping, etc. So Dyson, always a good one. I just think Dysons are so expensive. Even though it's on sale right now, obviously, $349.99, I just still think that's so expensive for a stick vacuum. You can get them on Amazon so much cheaper. No, it's not going to be a Dyson with the Dyson suction and things, but I feel like for the price, it's comparable. That's just my opinion. I've gotten quite a few requests for robot vacuums and everything as well. So the iRobot Roomba, is on sale for $189.99, so $110 off. So that's a pretty good deal as it is. Then you're gonna get back $30 in Kohls cash because you spent over $150. So for every $50 you spend, you get $10 back in Kohls cash. So you're spending $189.99 out of pocket plus taxes. You're getting back $30 in Kohls cash. You would also get back $40 from Rakuten for the new user bonus if this is what you choose to use that on. So that would make your final cost $119.99. You're also going to get the 2% back as well that goes to your Rakuten account. Now, I get asked all the time like how Rakuten pays you. You can either have them mail you a check or set it up to go directly to your PayPal. I recommend the PayPal because you never know, things get lost in the mail. It also takes a lot longer for you to get the check in the mail, of course. It'll probably be a week or two versus the day they pay out, it hits your PayPal and then it'll clear within like 3 or 4 hours. So it's a lot quicker and a lot more convenient. So I definitely recommend doing that with Rakuten. I also recommend doing the browser extension like I have. That way, anytime I'm on a website that uses Rakuten, it's gonna pop up. So if I forget to start with Rakuten and search and all this kind of stuff, this will pop up and all I have to do is click the button and it'll activate it and then it'll take me right over to the Kohls website. So, or back to the Kohls website because that's what I was originally on. But now it's activated. So you can see right here, we're good to go. So now once I place my order, I'm gonna get the cash back on Rakuten. Another question I get is when does it hit your account? So if it is a shipping order, once the order ships, then obviously it's not canceled or anything like that, then you'll get the cash back on Rakuten. If you return the product, yes, the cash back will get taken away from Rakuten because obviously you return the product, you no longer have it. So keep that in mind as well. Let me know in the comments what specific types of products you guys are looking for so I can kind of incorporate them more in some ad previews. I'm gonna do Belk as well. I think I'm gonna do Walmart too, so I'm gonna start working on those and I will get them posted for you as soon as possible. If you enjoy my channel, take a second, smash that like button for me. That helps me so much. And I will see you in the next video.